What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at two trades that I took on EURUSD yesterday really early in the morning around 3 a.m. But before we break that down, I just want to say thank you guys for smashing that like button and subscribing. I've noticed that over the last couple videos we've gotten double the likes that we normally get, and our subscriber count has steadily been climbing. So I just want to say thank you so much for that, because not only does it help me, but it also helps spread my videos to people that actually need them and can benefit them and help them trade better. So I just want to say, once again, thank you guys for that. It really means a lot. So with that being said, if we look into the past on EURUSD, we can see right here that it was hitting a strong level of resistance. Every time price came into this area, you can see strong rejection. We had a double bottom right here that pushed price right back into this level of resistance, which formed a triple top, and then price retested the neckline of this triple top before tanking. So once I saw all of that, I knew that price was going to go into a downtrend. So I simply marked the last level right here, and you can see how price did come back to retest that level. So we already have two confirmations right here showing us that price is now in a downtrend. So once I see price getting rejected in this area, I started looking for an entry, because if we look closer at the price action right here, you can see how all of these wicks are very large on the tops of the candles, meaning that the buyers are really starting to lose control and can no longer push price in the direction that they want. So you can see how all of these wicks are showing rejection, and then once we hit this level right here where price is retesting, we get a very strong rejection with this doji candle right here. So once price came back into that area and formed another strong wick on the top side of the candle with this one right here, I just simply waited for some bearish price action to form, which I got with these two candles. So I went ahead and took my trade. So price did come back up and retest this level one more time, but you can see even though it did, we still got strong rejection, and price did eventually move down the way that I anticipated, and that first trade closed down here. And then I also took a second trade building on top of all of the confirmations that I had just previously mentioned. And we basically did the same exact thing again. We already confirmed that we are in a downtrend. We had a price structure break and retest. Then we had a level retest right here showing strong rejection and that the buyers are no longer in control. And then we get the same exact situation right here. We have a level retest. We are shown lots of rejection right here. So once I saw this candle, I went ahead and took another sell on this pair, and you can see how our trade closed down here. So this was really simple to catch these two trades. It was the same exact situation over and over. You guys know that I like to keep trading simple. You shouldn't make it more complicated than it needs to be. We just have all of our confirmations in check, and then we look for those same things over and over again, which you can see between these two trades that I take. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And also, if you find anything helpful or useful in this video, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.